Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Three Friends and a Tiffany. We were waiting for a guest to join us, but unfortunately, no one's joined till now. Y'all don't love us anymore. And whenever we do get a guest to record, turns out that day Rahul doesn't have enough drive space for our episodes to be recorded. So here we are on a Sunday night, thinking of random topics to discuss so that we have a fun-filled episode for our listeners to enjoy. Turns out Ishmeet has quite a few. He's making a ऐसे जो 10 दिन मतलब अच्छे से, can I
दस
say this? अच्छे से
10 दिन में मरने वाले उसको क्या करना था उसके पहले।
मरने वाला है. He has a good shit for 10 days ऐसा लग रहा है वो. But that's his facial expression right now. What is up, Ishmeet Singh Batra? कुछ दुविधा?
दुविधा तो है गाइस मतलब I'll address what it is. दुविधा नहीं मतलब बस something going on my mind for the last 2-3 weeks now, and I think it's getting fed into my mind because of the entire shit that is going on everywhere. So over the last few days there's somebody that day asked me a question. Some junior of mine texted me कि Ishmeet भैया मैं क्या करूँ, मैं कॉलेज में जाऊँ, MBA करूँ, ये करूँ, वो करूँ. I don't know what my purpose is, what I want to do. वो इसलिए पाइथन भी सीख रहा है, वो बाप का धंधा भी कर रहा है, अब कुछ और भी कर रहा है. मैं बोला पर्पस, मैं 23 साल का हूँ, मेरे को पर्पस मत पूछ. देन आई गॉट टू थिंकिंग कि पर्पस वाला क्वेश्चन तो बहुत है. देन आई रियलाइज कि और भी लोग पूछ रहे हैं, हम लोग भी पूछा हुआ है पर्पस का. नाउ देन आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग अराउंड सीइंग एग्जांपल्स कि हमारे आसपास कौन है लाइक पर्पस डिफाइन करने का. हु डू आई लुक अप टू, हु आर द पीपल हु क्लोजेस्ट टू मी आई लुक अप टू. देन आई सॉ वीडियोस ऑफ ऑल दीस बिग एस पीपल दैट हाँ पर्पस ये है वो है. हमने ठीक है, इन लोग का कोई माथा मुंडू नहीं मारना है. देन आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग अराउंड, सो माय मॉम, आई आस्क्ड माय क्वेश्चन, मॉम व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज योर पर्पस इन लाइफ. शी लाइक ठीक है ऐसे ही है, तुम
जीना है।
लोग खुश रहो, ये वो नहीं मम्मा आपका पर्पस पूछ रहा है. हाँ मतलब अब मेरा पर्पस नहीं. then she didn't give me a very concrete or a confident kind of a filled answer, ठीक है ना. मतलब like I thought that she didn't know. So I asked her, do you feel like, she always wanted to be a teacher, she became a teacher. I'm like, are you happy? She's like, yeah, I'm very happy. Like, don't you want to become like a teacher or a headmistress proper, like one step up? She's like, nahi, I'm cool this way. So I was like, ठीक है mama, maybe might not be that ambitious, so like, it's fine, it's to each its own. Then I started looking around. I asked my dad also, then I asked my sisters also, then I asked my not friend but the building, and I just realized कि a lot of people who are aged like 40, 50, 60 years of age, my neighbors and all also, I asked them and they're all pretty chill. They're all like कि नहीं ठीक है, हो गया, अब chill है, अभी देखो क्या होता है. एंड जब से मैं वो एटीट्यूड मतलब नहीं, जब से मैं वो देखा, आई गॉट सुपर एंशियस. I'm somebody right now, like I've told this on the podcast also, I feel I have a lot of regrets in my heart. Like right now when I'm talking ना, मेरे को भी बहुत बेचैनी लग रहा है. So it's like I always have these regrets ki why didn't I do this, why didn't I do that, why didn't I tell
That's
this person
deep.
that. You guys know that what I'm talking about also, some of these instances. So and so I've made a promise to myself that I have to get better at it, and I have to, like, stop having so many regrets and all of that. But then I just started thinking ki yaar, I'm 23 right now. I think I'm too old to be able to do a handstand. I see people yoga. Somebody told me अगर आपको handstand करने स्मित, you 18 19 तक body develop तो yoga वोगा को उसके बाद नहीं होता. मैं बोल भाई तुम क्या बोल रहे हैं. Then I just started panicking and looking around, what can I do, how can I maximize, how can I make the most amount of myself. I just got super anxious over the weekend. So I just thought कि चलो ठीक है, let me start by making a bucket list. I just had a pen and the book, a new book I opened, freshly smelling, nice book. I got a fountain pen, घर पे पड़ा हुआ था, उसमें ink wing डाल के I started writing. I wrote the bucket list. I wrote my name. I wrote the date. Then I was just staring at the pages for a good 15-20 minutes,
साइड
not knowing
में
how to start or what to
साइड
write.
साइड में AMDG नहीं लिखा।
नहीं.
Oh, क्या Almighty dear God.
Oh, that's what it
हाँ,
stands
मूवी का
for.
Ado
I
Majorium
think
Dei Gloriam, for the
there's a
greater glory of God. That's the
there's a
Latin
Latin,
translation.
yeah. But
Yeah.
like people explained it to us by saying AMDG
Yeah.
means
Yeah.
Almighty dear God.
Wait, so I was getting very anxious, very bechen, like to the
But
point
ये
that I was
but ये
up till
but ये
4
तेरा
a.m. just
bucket list,
thinking.
तेरा
Huh.
bucket list, what does it
Hmm.
signify? What is it supposed to
I'll tell you.
mean?
So when I start working in the morning, I make myself a to-do list. ठीक है ना,
हम्म।
कि आज ये मीटिंग है, ये कॉल है, ये करना है, वो करना है, सो दैट आई ऑलवेज नो दैट देयर समथिंग एंड आई नो कि एज द डे प्रोग्रेसेस आई नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस एक्टिविटीज एंड बाय द टाइम आई रीच द लास्ट और व्हाटएवर माय डे इज ओवर, I have something to look forward to. It gives purpose to that day, that work day. Similarly, that bucket list which I made for myself serves as a roadmap and a reminder to
हम्म।
me that
हम्म।
if I ever think I'm comfortable, I ever think कि यार हो गया अब ये है and I'm like bro तेरे को अभी ये 1700 पेज की बुक ये सब में बहुत सारा चेकलिस्ट डालना है, बहुत सारा टिक मार्क्स डालना है. So and I thought that might help me push myself that no man, and I have to take every letter, every pointer. I need to make sure I do that.
So what you're
This is
saying, what you're hoping is that this bucket list, which includes not only life experiences but also skills, translates to your purpose in life.
Purpose in life.
Because
उल्टा
Maybe.
मतलब he's
because those two things are very different in my opinion. I don't think purpose can be purpose and bucket list are not the same thing. Purpose is, I think, what you want to do, what you were born for, what you're like, you want to do this, like I want to make an impact on people's lives, like that could be your purpose in life. But you saying that I want to learn Excel is not saying my purpose in life is to learn Excel, right? My purpose in life is not to become a scuba diving instructor or whatever, right? That's what you want to do, but that's not what you're living for. Different things.
Right. Could be. I'll break it down further. So I started writing. Okay, after 25 minutes, I wrote say places to visit. I wrote that hammock. I just wrote it like that, hammock on a tea garden. Taken which I keep telling you guys. And then I want to visit the city of God, which is in Brazil. I saw a movie also by that name, very notorious. Like I want to check that place out. Northern Lights, Old Trafford, Venice. Few places I wrote where I want to go. Then under skills I want to learn, I wrote scuba diving. I want to have like a proper license. I want to learn to propeller plane flying. I told you guys. और एक आध मैंने और 5-6 चीज वहां पर लिखी है. So when I say that what I feel my purpose might be is to encompass as many of these experiences I can. Like मेरे को क्या होता है ना, I get a hit, I get a happiness, I get a sense of dopamine whenever I accomplish something. Okay, so that's in a way telling it might not be a purpose. Purpose is a very subjective term. What your purpose is or what my grandmom purpose is could be completely different. These are just checkpoints maybe. I don't know what it will lead to, whether I will find a sense of purpose, whether I will find nirvana. It's just a checklist कि Shmeet तेरे को ये सब करना है, चाहे
let's
कुछ ना कुछ हो जाए.
ठीक है fine. So now let's say you have gone and seen Northern Lights. ठीक है, तेरे अभी लैपटॉप में तेरे दूसरे फाइल पे फोल्डर पूरा पड़ा हुआ है फोटोज ऑफ नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स, तो ड्रोन वोन से खींचा है मतलब. ठीक है, एक और है तेरा ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड कैसे 360 डिग्री व्यू, तो सेंटर लाइन में बैठ के सेंटर जो है ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड का ऐसे लेके पूरा ऐसे व्यू फोटो
Fine.
लिया है. ठीक है,
Point क्या है?
now you've done these 2 trips. Imagine you've done it. Now what do you feel? Do you feel some sense of accomplishment?
Would I strongly believe I would. I'll tell you guys why. And what has always led me to do this. बैंड्रा वर्ल्ड सीलिंग तुम लोग को पता है ना, बॉम्बे में तुम दोनों गया हुआ, ठीक है ना. तो मैं जब पिछली बार बॉम्बे गया था 2019 में, मैं ड्राइव पे वहां गया. आई वाज नॉट ड्राइविंग देन, आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग एंड सम कोई मेरे बाजू में मस्त गाना चला के गाड़ी चला रहे थे. आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू ड्राइव अ कार वेरी वेल देन. आई वाज लाइक भाई ये तो मेरे को करना है. आई एम गोना पुट दिस ऑन अ बकेट लिस्ट कि मेरे को बैंड्रा वर्ल्ड सीलिंग पे गाड़ी 100 पे टानना है, ठीक है ना. And when I actually managed to do that now, this time when I was in Bombay, I was like, bro, this was fun. Like after that, I was just like, I just patted myself on. It wasn't like, oh my god, मैं बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया कोई. I just patted myself in the back. I'll give you guys another example. मेरे को TEDx talk करना है, ठीक है ना. Not college वाले में, एक proper, ठीक है ना, एक प्रॉपर अच्छा कॉलेज में जाके, ऐसे नहीं कि भवानीपुर में जाके, नॉट द भवानीपुर इज बैड, या मेरे को जेवियर्स में जाके मान लो TEDx टॉक नहीं करना. आई वांट टू मे बी गो ऑन ऑक्सफोर्ड और स्टैनफोर्ड, वे होस्टिंग समथिंग बिग एंड आई वांट टू डिलीवर अ टॉक देयर. सो if I want to achieve that, it's not going to happen like that. Nah, maybe I'll have to speak at a Josh Talks, I'll have to speak at an X event, Y event, Z event. So these become checklists towards that final goal. I don't know what I will feel after that. Maybe I'll feel good. Maybe I get that same rush I got when I drove. But I think it's going to help me.
Okay.
too early to say.
So what I am understanding is these are still things that you want to do in life, right? And something you are working your way towards, right? In some way, somehow you will manage to do that. But how? I still don't understand, and I'm not trying to question you. Like, how is that purpose?
It's not I'll explain. I'll try and explain what I
And
understood.
yeah, fine.
Is
One more question.
Yeah.
Once you answer this to Joyji only is, do you think purpose changes every few years depending on where you are in life?
It could. It could change. Some people it doesn't. Some people are very focused. For some people it does. Like for how Ishmeet, I think views it is basically the fact that for some reason, I think the fact that the kick that he explained is very something that even I get.
Hmm.
Like whatever that kick I understand. So basically, let's see, he does this particular thing, he gets a kick out of it. Okay, and he's chasing the kick. Okay, and that kick in my definition is only what you should be doing and you spend the rest of your time with, because things around you will get fucked up and things around you will get demotivating. But when you know that if you do this certain thing you get that kick, you keep striving for that and you keep achieving that. I think that kick is only a purpose, and even I view it in the same way. So when he wants to, let's say, go to Old Trafford, that's one very objective thing that is out there that he can see, and he says that if I go to objective I'll get a kick.
Hmm.
So he does X,
Right.
Y, Z,
Right.
small wo jo
Hmm.
atomic steps to get that big
Hmm.
molecule.
Right. Fine. Good one.
हाँ, तो वैसे सो लाइक दैट, लाइक मेरा एक किक आता है, लाइक आई रिमेम्बर इन कॉलेज में मूट कोर्ट्स होता था.
Right.
Moot courts में I purposely don't prepare that well, but I prepare like 2-3 main arguments, ठीक है,
Fine. Hmm.
and I'm good that I can turn
Deliver.
switch, yeah, and I can confuse the teacher and I can confuse my opponent and both of them say that I'm right. I get some insane kick with that. Ekdam bhari. Now I want to do
Fine.
Yeah.
this for a higher level. I want to do it for like in the real world for my clients in a field, in a court of law. So that's what I get when I say kick with. And this could
Yeah.
change also. जैसे अगर मैं खाली कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में नहीं होता, अगर मैं कुछ जैसे ये होता नहीं है, बट लेट्स से इफ आई डाइव ऑन अ बिग 8 फुट से मैं नीचे डाइव किया तब भी एक ऐसा किक मिल सकता है. इट्स पॉसिबल. So this kick can be different for different people.
Okay, fine. The kick is different. Fine, I agree. And that is, again, that is something you want to do and that is the goal, right? Now, coming to
Huh.
purpose, since you're talking about purpose in life, this is my perspective, right? Firstly, I think it changes through your years. What purpose I thought I had in childhood is not what I have now, right?
Mhm.
You know, it's because
What did you think your purpose was in childhood?
This
like
will be interesting.
my
Tennis
purpose was
player, F1 driver,
that is not
cricketer.
purpose. That is what I wanted to do. Purpose was hard. Like this is, in a way, it's consistent in the fact that I want to, give my family a happy life. Blah blah. That's purpose, but it evolves over time. So what I
What
love,
was it?
that's what I'm telling you. It was about family only. Like as I grew up,
Oh,
that is my purpose.
okay.
Purpose can be defined as what I am supposed to do for the duration of my life, or you can define it as as the purpose of what I want at the end of my life. Like for example, for me, say my purpose is work hard now so later on I can live comfortably and give my family a comfortable life. Purpose. But at the same time,
Is that a
that,
purpose?
that is your purpose. Now what
That,
you want to do,
That's okay. ठीक है.
right? That's your role as a human being.
Go on, go on.
What is your role as a
that's your,
human being in this world? That is your purpose. I don't think your
yeah,
purpose,
yeah. So this
right?
is your mode of operation.
Right. Yeah. Right. Now,
Modus operandi.
what you do to achieve that is your short term goals. Now, this purpose evolves over time. Like for me, it has evolved through like I want to inspire people. It might not be on a very large scale, but through this podcast, through talking to juniors, people who are not as experienced as me, people who want to learn things, teach them things, inspire them in my own way, whatever it may be, in a small way also, it's fine. But I think that is purpose. That has my purpose has evolved, and then now I'm working towards that. Now, if you look at it from a very holistic standpoint, I think everybody knows that you have to work on a few short-term goals to achieve a very big long-term goal. It's like a to-do list, right? A to-do list makes you achieve your purpose for the day, as Ishmeet said. Correct? Now, me inspiring one person will eventually in some way inspire other people for whatever it may be. It might be your work ethic, it might be your knowledge or dedication, whatever it is, right? And that will in turn change the world in a small way on your own. That can also be defined as a purpose. If you look at it in a very, very big way, that yes, it will happen. It's not like you can control that. Yeah, if I inspire one person, that person is going to inspire like 10 other people. Not like that. But you have to let some things go and do as much as you can towards that goal, I feel.
I'll like to say something, Rahul. The entire point you mentioned where you said keep purpose, key like you felt your purpose was key parents को chill life देना है एक point के बाद. अभी your purpose is also कि let's work hard right now, let's hustle right now so that later I can be chill. I feel that purpose, I'm just giving you my opinion. I've thought about the same thing. I used to think the same thing कि मैं mom dad को मेरे को chill करना है, like बाहर कहीं settle करवाना है. I don't want them. I want to. One of my goals again, bucket list is to shift my family to a complex so that my dad and mom can enjoy a nice retired life. They can play goddamn table tennis if they want to, and not look at my neighbors' faces staying in this apartment. The point is, ये जो purpose हुआ ना, ये मेरे को लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा broad है. It's like saying, it's too broad. I can't just, because that's something which I know कि everybody wants to do. 99% of the people, maybe 95% of the people मेरे हिसाब से want to make sure the parents enjoy a good life, want to make sure that their personal retirement is good. And I feel that's too broad for me to narrow it down on a purpose. Then it becomes a very generic, I'll tell you my opinion, let me finish. It becomes a very generic opinion. It's like some होता है ना, कोई साधु बाबा आके ये वाला बात बोल दिया, सब बोलते हैं वाह वाह वाह. ये वाह वाह वाला बात नहीं, ये अंडरस्टूड लगता है मेरे को, which is I don't want to pinpoint myself towards that, which is why through these 10, 20, 100,000 things that I want to do, I'm trying to create that modus operandi तो कि इन सब 1000 चीज करते करते maybe वो मेरे को एक चीज मिल जाए जो मेरे को बहुत पसंद. जैसे मेरा, like I'll tell you, मेरा एक बहुत मन है सेवा, like helping people, and I get a kick, not a kick, like I just, when somebody comes and says ki what you said, what you did really helped me out, I get a good kick. And I felt ki seva, like helping people out, is something which maybe I can do in the future. But right now to pinpoint ki mera life ka goal kya hai, it's not possible. I'm 23.
Okay.
I've not even seen the world.
Fine. No, I agree. I agree with you in the sense that it's too broad. It is very broad, and I completely. So from what my understanding is, what you're struggling with is like what are you living for? In terms of what you want, what you're made for in terms of, let's say, work. Like, okay, yeah. Right? I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
I did. Matlab.
So you're trying to figure out what your purpose is in terms of what you want to do in what you are made to do in life through 10, 20, 30 years. What would you be best at? What would really drive you day in, day out to work hard? Like, what would you be passionate? Like, maybe you're looking for a passion, like a real passion, which you're like, oh, every single day. It's not like work, when they say work becomes passion, or you want work to become your passion and vice versa.
That's another vague term, no? Passion.
It's vague, I agree. But if you're looking for purpose, what is the purpose going to give you? Happiness at the end of the day. It's going to give you satisfaction. Right. I think that's what, not happiness necessarily, but satisfaction. I think that's what you're looking for.
See, I like to put it this way. I have a strong feeling that purpose cannot be a destination. मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा philosophical हो गया. मतलब मेरा point है कि purpose is not going to be something from point A to point B. Purpose is going to be the process through it. I'm not going to at 60 suddenly think कि chalo I've achieved satisfaction. At 60, when I look and I see कि all right, these are the things I've done, maybe that gives me the purpose. Because purpose cannot be, I feel, defined कि चलो मैं ये achieve कर लिया, I've reached my purpose. I know somebody, like I'll give you this example, okay? My co-founders, one of my co-founder, he had written Forbes 30 under 30. Usko feature hona tha as one of his bucket list goals. Like I'd seen it on his phone also. He'd put that as wallpaper. They got Forbes 30 under 30. Okay. That day, everybody's pretty excited. बहुत सही हुआ. Next day, I asked him, he's like, Ishmi, एक बात बताओ क्या? Bro, कुछ नहीं हुआ. मतलब मेरे को लगा बहुत बड़ा बात होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, but कुछ महसूस ही नहीं हुआ. So again, मान लो अगर कोई इंसान सोचे, if some, again very something which gives me also anxiety, major anxiety, a person thinks that this is what I want to do. ठीक है, and मान लो at 55 60 he or she reaches that goal, all right, and then they're like कि भाई इसमें तो मैं इसके लिए अपना पूरा 60 जमना जिंदगी बर्बाद किया, बर्बाद नहीं मतलब इसके लिए जिंदगी यूज किया, and then maybe that person starts spiraling down. So that is why I don't want to also define it to that like one incident or that one point. I want it to be a compilation of things so that it doesn't,
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think that makes sense. तुम जो बोला ऐसे do things one by one and gradually you get it. It's the journey wala thing that I understand. I approach it like what you're saying it like I do it the same thing in a little different way, but I do the same thing only. Like I have this
Cool.
imagination of this ideal
Right.
Joyjeev that I want to be.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Little different. Never mind.
Okay, yeah.
Go
This
on.
ideal Joyjeev that I want to be, let's say Joyjeev 2.0 as a advanced version, ठीक है, developed. So let's say, and he does a certain things. Like if you remember MasterChef का जो Hayden है, remember MasterChef Australia में एक Hayden बोल के था बंदा,
Get to the point. Yeah.
whatever. So he did a few things. He ऐसे Australian outgoing, surf work करता है. He jogs every morning. He lives a fit lifestyle. He can cook. He cooks his mussels wala dish. Has a beer, enjoys outdoor life. वैसा kind of a thing is that kind of a lifestyle is what I see myself living. So I want to have a fit life. Fitness is one thing that I prioritize.
Yeah.
I want to have say a routine. I'm kind of a person who likes an organized sort of a life. I want to be someone who can fend for himself, be self-reliant. Like I can cook for
Self-sufficient.
myself. Self-sufficient, self-reliant also. I rely on myself.
Yeah.
Like in the sense that if I need food, I can cook on my own. I don't need to be like Swiggy chahiye, Zomato chahiye. So if I let's say go on a hunting trip, I can set my own camp, my own tent. That'll be a huge thing for me if I can set my own camp and do camping and all that. So I build ऐसा
Bucket list match
lifestyle
कर देगा
change. Yeah, I change as I make lifestyle changes so that I become closer to that Joyjeev 2.0 thingy. And when I become closer to that Joyjeev 2.0 thingy, I think I live a more of a fulfilled life. Like
life.
I get some little bit of more fulfilled that wala
You're
feeling. Let's
more
say
content, more satisfied.
so there's this one incident I think where there's this kid across our see, like I want to be someone who can help in when things become bad. Like recently यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन हुआ था ना बहुत like खराब तरीके से. So एक नेबर का हम लोग का बच्चा था जो 10 साल का है 9 साल का है. So he had fever, okay, and there मतलब they don't have anyone to like get medicines. So I am someone I can drive. I have the car. So I that time I went around the entire complex. I searched pharmacy. I looked here, there, everywhere. सब बंद है. Finally दूर में जाके कोना में जाके एक मिला. That guy also पूरा ऐसे मास्क पहन के कैसे भी करके दिया. It was a hassle, but I got it finally, and I got the medicine. I gave him kuch nahi, nothing, and I just gave him the medicine. And that guy today he became well, and he sent me this.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. So see, I could help out someone, and I could be of like help
Fulfillment.
to. Yeah, and I got some sort of fulfillment because of that.
After some time.
Chalo, bolo bhasa. Oh, like how?
Yeah,
how-
guys,
Hmm.
I was thinking like it's raining in Calcutta. Nice. I was thinking ki with this bucket list thing is also duvidha. Hear me out, like a double-edged sword. So what I'm saying ki say by the time I'm 50 60 I want to keep fulfilling and accomplishing little tasks in that list so that by the end of it either I realize what I want to do in life or I can say कि चलो मेरे को life में इतना कुछ करना था मैंने काफी कुछ किया है and if there's something left I still for the next 10-15 years I'm alive I can do that. What if at 55 60 I suddenly see that book and I'm like out of 100 ticks say there are just 5 to 10 ticks, bro, I think I'm just going to spiral into depression.
First,
And I'm assuming if I'm at that age and I've not fulfilled so many tasks, it means I don't even have enough money. Then I will not be able to fulfill those tasks in any way.
so this is what Ishmi's done. Okay, he's like somebody asked him a
Aye.
question about what to do in life. Ishmi's like, fuck, even I don't know what to do in life. So I will make a list. My duvidha is like, I don't know what to do in life, so I will make a list. Then 5 minutes later, he realizes, why am I making a list? Because this list is pointless and this list will cause me more duvidha.
Hmm.
So he has got nowhere with this list. And he's just adding, he's like, from this mindset which he has, he's like, okay, I will solve the problem with a list. Then you will have another problem with the list. So there is no solving a problem like this,
It's
Ishmi.
it's a rabbit hole. You
Yes,
keep going
it's a
inside
vicious
and
cycle.
See,
Hmm.
I believe that will not happen. I will urge myself. I know इतना मेरे को अपने आप पे भरोसा है कि if everything goes well, if I don't lose a limb or get a stroke or something,
Ah.
I can fulfill it.
So have that
But
mindset,
पता
bro. Like just go for it. Do whatever the fuck you want. It's your
अबे
life.
And
अमेरिकन राज शमानी.
एक
अच्छा
एक
sorry.
और मेरा एक ये टिप्पणी है. I have understood this, that people around you also know who say that they figured it out. No one figured it out. No one has
No
a
one's figured it
clue
out.
what they're
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
No one knows. कोई पता नहीं भाई.
I
ऐसे
don't
ही
think
सब चल रहा है.
I don't think Elon Musk also knows what he's doing.
Yeah,
The
bro.
fucker, the only that fucker knows how to destroy all my cryptocurrency.
Exactly, bro. Everyone's just like, getting going day by day. One thing's happening, the other thing's happening. The maximum that you can do is have like some sort of direction, have like a
Hmm.
perspective on things, and
Hmm.
have like a way of going matlab, in that direction and
Focus.
focus. Yeah. So as you keep experience, like life will take you here, left, right, there, but try to maintain that perspective and have that honest approach to things.
And that
And also
honest
one
approach to.
honest approach to things, like if you always started off with the idea of like helping people,
Hmm.
make sure that the helping, whatever you do in your life goal, whichever profession you're in, that helping wala thing is continuously there, so that
Yeah.
that kick you continuously keep getting. Or if your thing is that some people like that fame or reputation wala thingy, so make sure that reputation fame thingy that you keep getting, that kick you chaska you keep getting. That is my tippani. And
You know,
lastly, I would also like to say
e-
that ये जो analysis जो राहुल दिया ना, मतलब end में जो मतलब इश्मीत का कि this vicious cycle वाला thingy, I think this is a great feat that Rahul has achieved. ये जो इतना in depth राहुल analyze कर पाया है इश्मीत को, I'm
एक
really
ताली ताली.
surprised. I
एक
think
जो
it
सब
deserves.
ताली.
ये podcast का success story है ये.
एक और अच्छा मेरे को ना एक और पॉइंट बोलना था यार. भाई
बोलना.
on a lighter note, I remember where I was I don't know what I was 9, 10. I just started watching football. Okay, and I was Manchester. I was that time Rooney का time था. You know, Manchester United. My mom asked me, गुड्डू इश्मीत तेरे को क्या करना है? फिर मम्मी आपको बताता हूँ. मम्मी मैं 14 years की उम्र तक कलकत्ता में हूँ. फिर मेरे लंदन चले जाऊंगा अनहद के पास. अनहद इज माय नेबर सन हु स्टेज देयर ओनली. वहां मैं मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के स्कूल में चला जाऊंगा. वहीं पर पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी. वहीं पर मैं फुटबॉल ट्रेनिंग लूंगा ताकि जब तक मैं 18 years का हूँ मैं प्रॉपर फुटबॉल प्लेयर बन जाऊँ. मैं उनकी टीम के लिए खेलूंगा. फिर मैं 30-35 तक खेलूंगा और फिर मैं रिटायर होके वापस इंडिया आ जाऊंगा. ऑल्टरनेटिव प्लान था मम्मी मैं क्रिकेट खेलूंगा इंडिया के लिए. उसके बाद मैं अंपायर बनूंगा. उसके बाद मैं कमेंटेटर बनूंगा. तो उस समय तो मेरे को लगता था भाई क्या लाइफ फिगर आउट किया है.
This is what happens, and this is very nice because these are the dreams that young kids see when they are selected in the
Yeah.
school team.
Yeah, but these are
Possibly.
good. These are good dreams. I don't have such dreams anymore. I think I want to
Yeah.
have such dreams more.
Yes.
We are very realistic now, and we're just
Yeah,
like, nahi hoga.
yeah.
We already
I've lost the
crossed that in our
ability.
mind.
Yeah.
We crossed that thing in our mind, and I think that is what, dude. Can you imagine me just flying, like getting on a propeller plane and just flying? No, na. Even I was. Even I was. "Ishmi, tum kya baat kar rahe?" But then I'm thinking, no, bro. Um, you should dare to dream, not on a philosophical note, but just like that day we were having a meeting, like Friday ka chill meeting hota hai na. So we did, like, this co-founder asked, like hum log ka ek aisi session hota hai, what is something you typical HR things jo karna padta hai, what are you grateful for? So everybody was saying friends family, which is very nice. Then I realized ki ek to friends family guys obviously hai. तीसरा one thing I'm really grateful for is that I don't have to think tomorrow मेरी रोटी कहाँ से आएगी, मैं कहाँ रहूंगा. The basic bare necessity. I can dream कि मैं 2026 में FIFA World Cup देखने US, Canada, Mexico जाऊंगा. I can dare to dream that, and I think that in itself is also privilege that we may at least I believe I have that. I can dare to dream to fly that plane. I can dare to dream to have 50 scuba diving missions under my belt. I can dare to dream to save people. Anyway, what do you guys think about this point?
So I would like to add, so I'm gonna reference me playing pool in college for 4 years, okay? And it was like a very big learning curve for me. It was just like, first, you know how, not to offend Indians, but Indians are like this. I know everything. मेरे को सब कुछ पता है. Okay, whether it is your father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, जो भी, everybody knows everything.
जिस थाली में खाया उसी थाली में हग रही है.
हाँ. So I used to be like that. Then I got a very big reality check. Somebody over here literally broke my ego. Be like, hey, don't know anything. Okay, so I trained, and for 4 years I trained properly, seriously. But like then I can afford to see that dream that someday I can be playing at a very high level, and I can compete at some point. If I train for like 3-4 years, I can compete at a level which is like professional, right? Close to professional, at least semi-pro. But a lot of people, what they do is like, हाँ मेरे को ये करना है. They will start today. Georgie will relate. It's like playing golf. It's like, my swing sucks. But then if you work for a month towards it, 1 month is not going to do anything.
Improve.
It's not going to do anything. You dream about having your own business, like they talk about. One month is not going to do anything. You'll have to pursue it. For years.
I was going to say it will improve if you keep doing it for a month. But I get your point. Like, you can't just say and then it'll come to you. You have to go towards it.
Yeah. And,
nice.
And that's when you can afford to dream.
जो भाई एकदम और कुछ हो ना हो डेप्थ तो डेवलप हो गया है भाई.
राहुल एक बार इधर आ, थोड़ा पास आ कैमरा के.
पक
कैमरा के पास आ, पास आ.
क्या है?
Sorry. Anyway, I thought this would have been funny. Anyway, yeah guys, chalo, I think we've had a good discussion around this, and also there's a nice update for our listeners. So we had 3 guests joining us today. I know it started off like कोई guest नहीं आ रहा, but we had 3 people who had come, and then so out of these 3 guests, 2 people actually spoke. The third guest threatened to reveal some of my stories, but that person never revealed their name, or that person never revealed what they want to do. I've taken a photo of it also. You guys have to help us find who that second guest was, and also what the first guest said about our opinions. And he even helped me out, saying ki Ishmi, this is how you should be thinking. Very interesting insight. Another guest actually told us what she interprets purpose as, and I think Georgie broke it down really well. So in order to, since it was getting too big this episode and आप लोग नहीं सुनोगे अगर कोई, आप लोग का views कम होगा, so you divided into a 2-part series. So this one series is going to be the way we were planning to conclude it, and the second part will be from a segue where all these guests came. That's going to be a shorter episode, but that's going to be fun as well. So we'll release that possibly 1 week after you guys listen to this. So guys, next week हम लोग content नहीं बनाते, 2 हफ्ता का ready है. But on a serious note, guys, I think it was awesome. The 3 guests joined us, and we were very happy. We didn't have anybody joining us for the first 45 minutes, but then we had 3 people. Keep doing this. Please join us for conversations. It's going to be fun. We love listening to what you have to say. We love listening to your peace of mind. So yeah, you know what to do. We'll be uploading a story on our Instagram. आके join कर लेना. And एक और update है guys. We are on Gaana.com and JioSaavn as well.
Yeah,
so if you guys, अगर Spotify नहीं पसंद, YouTube पे आलस आता है, Google Podcast क्या होता है पता ही नहीं है, गाना चाहिए, बजना चाहिए गाना, and JioSaavn of course. Go stream us there as well. Share it with your friends who might be just listening to these platforms and we're not on Spotify, whatever. We would love that. And we had a few people telling us कि we should record an all Hindi episode, as a tribute कि चलो भाई हमको गाना JioSaavn में पहुंच गए. So we'll also do that very soon guys, and it'll be fun listening to what Rahul's Hindi
accent वाला Hindi song like.
Hindi. Hi guys, मेरे को हिंदी बोलनी आती नहीं है, पता ना मैंने इंडिया बहुत पहले छोड़ दिया था, Anyway, on that note, Rahul, Georgie, कुछ बोलना है?
That's exactly what Rahul sounds like.
Anything else? Jesus, I need to improve my Hindi then. But I think we're good. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next week.
Chalo, bye bye.
Bye guys, take care.
अच्छा, एक second.